Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha PSR-E473 keyboard and you need to restore all of the factory settings on it. There's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this keyboard where it's kind of bugging or glitching or not listening to the settings that you have set on it, or it's not working right, making weird sounds, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other thing is, if you're maybe selling this or you're buying a used one, or just for whatever reason, you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of the settings and configurations set back to their factory defaults, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. The only thing you need to do on this keyboard if you want to do that is go ahead and turn it off or put it in standby mode. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to press and hold the highest key on the keyboard all the way to the right here. So you're just going to press and hold this, and then while you're holding this, then you can go ahead and power up the keyboard and continue to hold it until it powers up, and that will wipe everything off of it and it will be back to the way it was when it came out of the box.